Are you tired of starting over, tired of that fleeting burst of motivation that dies 2 days later? You plan your week, you set your goals, you go hard for 48 hours, and then, you fall off. The discipline crumbles. You binge watch, you scroll endlessly, you hit the snooze button, and that feeling of purpose disappears, replaced by the bitter taste of regret. This isn't about motivation. Motivation is a flimsy emotion. This is about building a system, an unshakable fortress inside your mind. A system of discipline so powerful that it doesn't matter how you feel, you will act, you will execute, you will win. Today, we break down the science of building unbreakable self-discipline. Lesson 1, the 2-minute rule. You are not lazy. You are just overwhelmed by the friction of starting. The solution isn't to force yourself to do an hour of work. The solution is to remove the friction. The 2-minute rule is your first weapon. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. Don't add it to a list. Don't defer it. Just do it. Respond to that email. Put away that dish. Open that textbook. The momentum created by these tiny, 2-minute victories is your fuel. You are not building discipline by conquering Everest. You are building it by taking 1,000 small, powerful steps. Remember, a 2-minute victory is a victory nonetheless. The goal is to start. Just start. Lesson 2, the reward loop reboot. Your brain is hardwired for immediate gratification. It's why you grab the phone instead of the book. Dopamine. It's a powerful chemical, but you can rewire that loop. You will no longer get a dopamine hit from a passive act. You will get it from an active, productive one. The strategy is simple. Link a small, immediate reward to a productive habit. After you finish that tough work session, you get your coffee. After you finish that workout, you get to listen to that podcast. You are training your brain. You are telling it, success and effort are what produce happiness, not mindless consumption. You are hacking your own reward system. Reboot your loop. Link pleasure to progress, not procrastination. Lesson 3, stack your habits. Stop trying to create new habits in a vacuum. Your habits are like dominoes. You don't create a new one, you link it to an existing one. This is called habit stacking. The formula is, after existing habit, I will, new habit. After I pour my first cup of coffee, I will write down my top 3 priorities for the day. After I finish my last class, I will review my notes for 10 minutes. This eliminates the need for willpower. You're not deciding to do something, you are simply following a pre-programmed sequence. It's automatic. Stop inventing new habits. Start stacking them onto the foundation you already have. Lesson 4, the urgency sprint. Discipline isn't about working for 8 hours straight. It's about intense, focused bursts. The Pomodoro technique isn't a suggestion, it's a scientific hack. Work for 25 minutes. No distractions. Phone on airplane mode. Desktop notifications off. The moment your mind wanders, pull it back. This isn't a leisurely walk, it's a sprint. When the timer goes off, you get a 5-minute break. Short, sharp, focused. Your discipline isn't a marathon, it's a series of powerful, short sprints. Discipline is built in bursts of intense, deliberate action, not endless, distracted struggle. Lesson 5, the identity shift. This is the ultimate level. Stop telling yourself, I want to be disciplined. Start telling yourself, I am a disciplined person. Your actions define your identity. When faced with a choice, to scroll or to work, ask yourself, what would a disciplined person do? You're no longer fighting to become something. You are simply acting in alignment with who you already are. Your actions become a reflection of your identity, not a struggle against it. Stop fighting to become disciplined. Start acting from a place of being disciplined. Let's run through it again. Fast. The 2-minute rule. Remove the friction. Start with a tiny victory. Just start. Reward loop reboot. Link pleasure to progress, not procrastination. Hack your dopamine. Habit stacking. Don't invent, link. Add new habits to old ones. Urgency sprint. Work in focused bursts. Go all in for 25 minutes, then rest. Identity shift. Act from who you are, not who you want to be. You are a disciplined person. Look, you have all the motivation you will ever need right now. The problem isn't a lack of desire, it's a lack of a system. You don't need more hype. You need more frameworks. You need a system to fall back on when the energy fades. So, here is your one command. Choose one of these frameworks. Just one. Don't try to do them all at once. Start with the 2-minute rule. Right after this video ends, find one task that takes less than 2 minutes and execute it immediately. No second thoughts. No excuses. Feel the momentum. Feel the victory. And then, once you feel that power, come back and drop a comment below. Tell me which framework you are committing to. This isn't a suggestion. This is a promise you make to yourself. Don't just watch this. Act on it. Become a disciplined person. Subscribe now to keep building the fortress. The next lesson is already on its way. Your growth is non-negotiable. The time is now. Execute.